Good day, everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to upload files in your Google Drive folder. So just let's say, for example, you already create your Google Drive folder. So here's what are you going to do. So for example, this is already your Google Drive folder. All you need to do is to click this new. And then let's say, for example, you already have the files to upload. You just need to click this file upload. And then you have to choose what file are you going to upload. So let's say, for example, this one. I want to upload this nuclear chemistry notes. So click upload here. And then one upload complete. So it's already completed. So here's the file. So another thing, let's say, for example, we want to upload Google Docs here. So click new and then you will see here the Google Docs. So add Google Docs. So here we have it. So here's the Google Docs now. It will appear here as you can see. So we already have the for a while. Let me edit first the Google Docs. So let's say the name of the Google Docs is example like that. So and then let's edit example only like that. So let us see if is now if we can see this sample here in the Google Drive. So let's refresh this one. Okay, so here we have it. So let's say, for example, we want to upload Google Sheets or create an ad Google Sheets in our Google Drive. You have to click the new button and then click Google Sheets in order to create a blank spreadsheet or from a template. So let's say blank spreadsheet and then let us wait for Google Sheet and then let's say, for example, let's name it as well example here as well the title sample like that. So after that, here we have it, the Google Sheets. So let's say, for example, we want to create Google Slides here in this Google Drive folder. We can also click the Google Slides and then we can now create a presentation here. So here, example, let us check if we can see the Google slide here. So here we have it. So that is how to upload files in your Google Drive. That